bite right here. Let's see, can he take it down, or is it just a little channel cat or something? Alright, we got him on. Let's see what we got here. And of course he's gonna go across every line out there. Oh, he's pulling some drag. He's pulling drag. He's pulling drag. We end up being a fish after all. We can figure this one out. Still looks like he's got a line. It's a monster flathead. Really nice fish here. Like this is gonna require the net. It's a big, nice flathead. I'm talking about a nice one. So can we get you turned over here where you can see? I don't know if he's gonna fit in the net. Yeah, he was bigger. He was bigger than a net. Really nice fish. This is encouraging because it kind of gives me an idea that the fish are starting to transition. Yeah, he didn't want to fit in the net. And I don't know about you, but for me, that's a really good problem to have. See, come and get you a look at this joker. In our part of the country, that's a nice flathead. I mean, a nice one. I don't know if I had to take a guess on what he weighs. Probably in the 40-pound range. You're gonna get a weight on him to see. But I don't know about you, but I would say that's a really nice flathead. South Carolina. Now let's see if we can get a weight on this joker. 43 pounds. And a net weighs 2, so that's a 41 pounder. All right, we're gonna put him back in here. See, can we catch him one day when he grows up? That is a nice fish. Takes right off, man. That's some good stuff. Yeah, those are the things that make the catfishman's blood go to jumping up and down. Is to see these fish coming up in these shallow parts. I've been fishing in the 40-foot range for the past 2 or 3 months, and I caught one about 2 months ago that weighed around 28, 30 pounds. But that's been the nicest flathead I've gotten. Kind of running into the earlier part of the year. The water temperature is about 48 degrees, and these fish are starting to move up. And I don't know about you, but it gets my blood churning to know that it could be just right around the corner when the bright turns on. We're gonna sit here for a little while longer. Our 30-minute timer went off. That was about a 10 or 15-minute wait, and we're gonna try that one more time and see maybe if he's got a brother or a daddy up in here. So just stay tuned with me and let's see what we can do. Get the bite right over here. Got me wrapped up or something. Looks like a fairly nice blue. I think I'm gonna get the net here. Got me wrapped up in a line that's hung up right there. Both take it down. And we hooked up again. See what we got this time. Well, it's kind of unsuited here. It's 40 degrees today and the wind's blowing about 25, so it is a little chilly. And I kind of underestimated how cool it was going to be. Let's unhook this one and see what it looks like. This is a channel. You built a piece of chicken. If he'll let go for me. Look at him trying to take my chicken. Nice little channel cat. I noticed when I first got him out, it's a little muddy on the side. Not a bad fish. Let's put him back in there alive. I like to catch the big ones, but I'll take any one I can get. Y'all stick with us and let's see what we can do. Got a bite. This dude's leaving too, buddy. Come on, don't get me hung up right there. This guy is gone with it. He's headed for a lay down over there and it ain't looking good right now. Look at that, man. I don't know where y'all can hear that or not, but this sucker is ripping across the water right here. I don't know how big he is, but I know one thing. He left out like he owned the place. It's looking like a big fish. This looks like a massive blue. Alright, let's see, can we get the net? I guess he might come up here one day. Let's see if we can get him in the net here. He ain't quite ready. Alright, let me see, can I pick this sucker up, get him in here. Oh. There we go. Now that's a fish there. I don't think he's quite as big as that flatbed, but he is a nice one. Yes, sir. I'd say our fish are starting to transition into the places where the bait are. And this sucker come up on a little bitty piece of chicken. You think he's pulling on it hard, he pulls the swivel up inside the cork. Decide to wait and we'll see can we get him up and get a look at him. Yeah. There we go. Oh, dude got some power, man. That's a nice blue right there. He's probably in the 30 plus range. I'm gonna try to get a weight on him and see what he weighs. Nice fish though. £35. Take off 2 for the net, and we end up with a 33 pounder. Nice fish. Nice fish. Let's put him back in here. Let somebody else catch him another day. That's a nice one there, buddy. There you go. Well, that's that transition bite I'm talking about. The fish are starting to pull out of the shallow water, the deep water up into the shallow water. And as you can see, just like largemouth, there's some nice ones lead the way. Well, I think I'm gonna have to head for the house here. I'd like to thank, if you have a chance, how about subscribe and give me a like, and thank you for tuning in today. Have a great day.